belt, insert it inside, a loop will form. This formation of loop is point of interest. This loop formation is point of interest for the child. Okay, this is point of interest for the child. Now you are going to take out, leave it one by one. You are going to open all these in stepwise. Now you are going to hold the loop, take out, leave it here. You are holding the belt with left hand. Insert it inside. Loop formation is point of interest for the child. Take out with right hand. This is the first step of opening. When first step is done, you are going to take the second step for opening. You are going to hold the belt